equal given there. It's power, right? Exponentiation is power. For example, you have 2 to the power 3, right? So this is equal to the power 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8, right? Right? Okay. So now, so we know everybody, or almost everybody, right, knows this. Exponentiation means the power, right? So this is the exponent, right? It's something called exponent. Okay. So now, how do we write this in code? Right? Like code right? So anybody has any idea how you write this in code? Although it's in the notes, right? Notes mecha, right? But still, I will write down here. Anybody has an idea? Okay, so I think there's something in the chat here. Okay, let's see. Where's okay, Smriti, yeah, Smriti is right. And Susma, Ma'am Lichi, Cap, I think Cap doesn't work, eh? Cap, Cap, I think it doesn't work, eh? So Sriana, no, there's no. If you do 2 asterisk 2, that will be 2 times 2, okay? Nisol, 2 cap 3. Maybe I don't think cap works, eh? Maybe we can still try, eh? So some of you said that, okay? Some of you said 2. Sorry, 2 cap 2 or 2 cap 3 in this case, right? So this cap, right? Cap or hat, right? And actually the actual symbol is this, right? So which one if you said, right? I think who it was, I forgot who it was. Okay, let's see. Anyway, so one of you said this, okay? So 2 asterisks, right? And then 3. So so this is the correct one. So I think that this doesn't work, eh? But still, I may be
Yes,
wrong.
sir. Cap doesn't work.
Yeah. Thank you. So cap doesn't work, eh? Using caps any other programming languages, right? It works in other programming languages, most other programming languages, but not in Python. Right? Python, you need to use 2 asterisks, right? Okay. So let's try it out. Right? Actually, you're collab, right? Let's try it in collab. So you can try. You try as well, right? So let's see what's in chat. Yeah, Ravindra. Yeah, Ravindra listening. Yes, just 1 asterisk multiply. Yes, 1 asterisk is multiply. 2 asterisks is power. Right? Okay, so let's try it. Right? Let's try it. So for example, I want to do 2 to the power 3. Right? 2. So let's try cap. Okay, so I think Nishal said that it didn't work, right? So let's verify.
Yes, sir.
Oh, but it did something else. I don't know what it did, but it didn't give error, right? But it didn't give us the correct answer anyway, right? So it did something else. You carried, so it's called caret symbol, right? Caret symbol. It didn't give me the correct answer. So let's try the one we said works, right? So this should give me the correct answer, 8, right? 8 when I put in, right? So let's see. Yes, we got the correct answer, right? So this exponentials, and the previous one, modulus, right? Let's try, right? 2 modulus 3. What did we say it was? We said 2, right? Yes, 2. Okay. All right. So now we know some of these operators, right? Which are plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, right? Exponentiation, and there's another one called floor division, right? Anybody has any idea what a floor division is? Floor division, okay, so floor division. Okay, let me explain. Right? Floor division. So floor division, the symbol for this, you operate with symbol say double slash, right? 2 double slashes, one after another. So this is the floor division. Okay, so floor division, for example, if you have 3 floor division 2, right? So what's 3 divided by 2 in normal case, right? Normal 3 normal division, 3 divided by 2 what's the answer? 1.5, right? 1.5. Oh, okay. So floor division in floor division, basically what happens, it takes the floor of a number, floor of that floor. Floor, there's a floor and ceiling, right? It's the programming concepts of floor or ceiling concepts, okay? Right? In programming, there is a concept of floor and ceiling. Okay, so what does floor and ceiling mean? Okay, for example, if you have this number line, hey, in this number line, say for example, you have 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, -1 here, and so on. Right? So what is the floor and the ceiling? Right? So for example, I want to plot this. Right? I want to plot this in number line. So where does this lie? Where does this number line lie? It should be right in the middle of 1 and 2, right? Right here, right? So this is 1.5, right? So now imagine this is a room, right? Your room is a room, right? It's less than 2 and greater than 1, right? So now floor means this. Room ko floor, ceiling ceiling mathiko bag, right? So this is the ceiling, right? CIL, right? Ceiling, and this is the floor. So what is the floor of 1.5? Can somebody tell me what is the floor? Just looking at this number line picture. What is the
1,
1?
1,
What's the ceiling?
2.
Yeah, ceiling is 2. Very good, right? Yes, floor is 1, ceiling is 2, right? So it gives you the floor. Yeah, the integers that enclose the number. Very good. Yes, Shriyana, very good. Yeah, that's correct. What you understood is very correct. Right? So for example, let me give you another number. So I have 2.05. What's the floor? What's the floor of 2.05?
2.
2. Okay, anybody else? Right? Nishal, I think Nishal, right? Yes, a lot of you said 2. Smriti said 2. Sriyana said 2. Excellent. How about the floor? I mean, sorry, it's floor. We talked about floor. So 2 is the floor. How about ceiling?
3.
3 is the ceiling, right? Okay, Soros 2.00, no. 2.00, 2 is the floor, right? 2 is the floor and 3 is the ceiling, right? Okay, yeah, a lot of many of you are correct, right? So okay, now this floor division, okay, we were talking about the floor division, right? So let me erase this part, right? So in floor division, let me get rid of this. Okay, so 3/2 in normal division, you have 3/2 is 1.5, right? Now it gives you the floor of 1.5. What is the floor of 1.5? That's 1, right? So the floor of, so now let me erase this. So it gives you the floor. So floor of 1.5, right? Floor of 1.5, it's 1, right? Floor is 1, so you get 1. So basically, you don't have to think much. Just throw away all the values from the decimal point and onwards, right? Okay, let's try one another. Right? Let's say 7 floor, say 3. Okay, so what's the answer? 7 floor 3, floor division 3.
Who, sir?
The answer? Anybody got the answer? Answer I? Okay, let's try. Hey, let's try. Very good. So 3, right? And you're dividing 7 by 3, right? Okay, let's see in chat. Let's see somebody has the answer. 2, 3, 2. Okay, 3. Some of you are saying
2.33. 2.3.
Okay, so let's see.
2.33.
Okay, 3, 2 times is 6, right? 1, and then if you point 10, 3,
3.
yeah, 3, 9,
3.
and 3, 3, and goes on, right? So what's the floor of
Yeah.
this?
2.
2 is the floor, right? So your answer should be 2, right?
Yeah.
Let's test it out, right? 7 floor division, floor division 3, right? So let's test it. Test either. Okay, let's try. I'll test it out. Right? 7 floor. What was that? 2, 3, right? 7 floor 3. Okay, 7 floor division 3. We said the answer was 2, right? Yes, 2 is the answer. Okay, so which we got correct here, right? Okay, so everybody clear on this? Floor division ma clear hununcha? Any questions so far? Questions are sucking? Okay, I think everybody's okay. मेरो मेरो आवाज आएको छैन हो?
आएको छ सर
आएको छ है? रविन सरले बुझ्नु के I'm not getting your voice भनेर लेख्नु भएको छ. Okay, Sriyana is asking, is there such thing as ceiling division? Well, as far as I understand, there is no such thing as ceiling division, right? Sriyana, as far as I understand, there is no such thing as ceiling division. There's only floor division. Okay. All right. Thank you for the question. All right. Excellent. So let's see. Let's do some exercises. Okay. Can you try this? Okay. So, okay. Can you write this in code, right? Okay. X is equal to, should we go, okay, what do you suggest? Should we do this now or you want to do this later? I think you can do it later, right? Because we can cover a lot more if we just skip this, because you understand the main thing is you need to understand the concept, right? Concept, this is just practice, right? Practice you can do in your own time, right? Because I have already provided you this notes, right? Your note may provide right? So what do you suggest? Okay, I'll go by your suggestion, right? Tomorrow's suggestion on right? Sriyana says okay. All right, so okay, good. Okay, so yeah, I expect everybody to try. You need to actually do it, right? नगरिकन सिकिँदैन प्रोग्रामिङ भन्ने कुरा जस्तो हो यो मतलब यो भनौँ न अरू एरिया जस्तो होइन है इट्स नट लाइक other subjects or other areas. This is different. You need to actually do it, right? Okay, anyway, so here are the questions. I expect everybody to try it, and you can send me your code, right? Code similarly, you can share the code. Okay, basically let me quickly show you how you can share the notebook, right? You can share the notebook. Maybe Sushma ma'am, I think she had sent me an email asking how do you save, right? How do you save your work? Say here, whatever I did here is already saved. I didn't have to do anything. Although you can just save here. Yes, save yes. It saves, but still it's saved every time, and if you within a few seconds, save okay? So we don't have to worry about that. And you're saying, Sunny, so you can change the file name. So it's a good idea to change this, right? So that you can find it later. Otherwise, the untitled right? It's still there. The file drive right? It will be in your drive, okay, if you search for it, right? But so let's see, practice. Practice session 2, okay, Python practice session 2 or something. So you need to rename it in such a way that you can find easily, okay, later on when you try to find it, okay. Sorry, I meant to write Python, okay. So and then enter, right? You enter now. It's saved with this file name, right? And then you can find it later, and then you can share it. Okay, how do you share it? File, and then let me see. I also have to find out. Right? So there is yeah, you can share it. I couldn't find exactly. Well, yeah, here. You under share, Sunny. You can share, right? And then you can share that with me, right? You can write your code, run it, and then put your comments as well, and then you can share, right? So you can either copy link and send me an email, right? Or you can add, see, give your email address to whom you want to send, right? And then you can share, right? The same like if you share with me, okay, that would be great. Right? I'll just take a look, and then if there's some issues, I can maybe alert or I can give feedback. Right? Okay. All right. So let's see. Where are we? Okay. Now, okay. Assignment operators. So we talked about the arithmetic operators. Right? Arithmetic operators. I'm got it. Right? So the next topic or within operators ko arko ke cha bhanदाखेरि it's a assignment operators, right? Did we miss anything here? Let's see. These exercises, right? Okay, assignment operators. So what are assignment operators? Okay, one of the assignment operators we have used a lot of it, right? What is that? Equal to, right? Equal to is an assignment. I think that's what we talked about in the first day, right? Maybe the first day, first session of the first day. Right? So equal to is an operator, which is assignment operator. What does that mean? That means that assignment operator. So for example, you have y equal to 6. Now, this operator, right? This operator, this is an operator which is an assignment. So why is it called assignment operator? Because it makes it possible. It makes it possible to assign whatever value is on your right to the variable on the left. Right? Assign variable. Right? Okay. So this is an assignment operator. So it's not an equality operator. Why not? The orke of it. Equality operator oil answer. Right? So math ma yoma forex one anyway. Right? So math ko equality is equality. There are different operators. Operators forex. Right? Okay. Another one is something called plus equal to. Right? So now, for those of you who are new to programming, this might come as a kind of a surprise or something different, something you haven't encountered so far, right? Okay. For example, okay, it's probably better to go with an example, right? So another operator is plus equal to, right? So what it does is, so I'll give you an example. So say you have x equal to 3, okay? And then in another line, you have x plus equal to 2, right? So if you have something like this, right? This is line number 1, this is line number 2, right? The program, the order lines, right? So what it does is, yo bhaneko chahi यसको equivalence, right? There is equivalence. The equivalence. So this is a compact form. So this is what? Compact form, okay? Right? Let's say हामीले यो अलिकति कम कोड लेख्नु पर्यो, right? Now this is equal to यो भनेको चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि this is equivalent to x equal to x plus 2, right? Okay. So now, can somebody tell me what will be if I run my code here and then in 3 I print x, right? So what value or what result do I expect here?
5.
Okay, 5. Okay, what about others? Let's see that. Yeah, a lot of you said 5. Sriyana, Saroj. Okay, excellent. Yes, 5 answer, right? Because its initial value के छ अहिलेको value के छ त्यही हो है मैले अस्ति भने नि it goes to container. So container मा के value छ है? So right when you run this code, okay, so that's why I was emphasizing है मैले first दिन मा एकदमै emphasize गरे नि यो कारण यही नै हो है. So when you run this code, now you have in memory you have a variable called x. There's a container for x, right? And within there you have 3, right? Now when you come to this, right? Okay, when you come to this, you are now what are you doing? You are taking this value, right? यसको पहिला यता side evaluate हुन्छ के? Always it evaluates the right hand side, and then the result is assigned to the left hand side, right? That's how it works. So now what happens here? So now code ले के गर्छ? Execution ले के गर्छ? Execution engine ले के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि पहिला यता हेर्दैन. It doesn't look at the left. It goes to the right, okay? And then it tries to evaluate this expression right here, right? के गर्छ यसले भन्दाखेरि now it has to, because there's a variable called x, right? Now it has to find the value of x. So what it does, it goes to the memory, right? It goes to the memory, right? Finds the variable x, which is here, right? Goes in there and gets that value. यसको value कति छ? 3 भनेपछि यसलाई 3 ले replace गरिदियो, right? And then 3 plus 2 is 5, right? And then now evaluation is complete, right? यताको right hand side को evaluation complete भयो नि, हैन? Now this value is assigned to back to x, means what happens now? अब चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि now 3 को ठाउँमा के हुन्छ? यसलाई 5 ले replace गर्यो. Now 3 is gone forever, right? 5. Now when you print x, now when you okay, you sequential execution कुरा गरे नि हैन. So यो भयो and यो सिद्धियो. Now after that you come here, you're finished with this part, right? Now you go to, so अहिलेको memory state के छ, right? Right now what is our memory? The memory state is this, right? Okay, now when you print x, right? So what happens? The Python execution engine looks at this. Okay, oh, it's asking me to print x. So what do I do? Okay, I need to go to x. Okay, let me use a different pen. Eh? So I need to go all the way. I need to go into memory. Okay, the execution engine goes to the memory, finds x. Okay, where is x? Oh, here's x. Okay, so here is x. Like, what's in there? Okay, it goes inside there. Oh, there's 5. Okay, and then it grabs this number, whatever is in there, and then it prints to the output console. Right? Your flow so this is how it works. Let's say you need to think in terms of how the Python execution engine, right? You say there is a specific steps to it, right? Rigorous steps, right? So if you can understand this step, it's very, I mean, maybe there may be, programmers who have written code for many years, but some of them maybe they might not be clear about this, right? Okay, so is it clear to you, or should I explain one more time? Feedback. This is what goes on inside the computer with the keyboard as memory right? So what do you think? Did I explain well enough, or are you clear? First thing, are you clear or not? Please give me a thumbs up if you're clear. Clear hununcha? Yes, Nischal is clear. Yes, DD Pathak sir, yeah, he's clear. Thank you. All right, so anyway, so okay, even if you don't understand fully, okay, that's fine. Okay, okay, you don't have to fully understand it in order to code, right? Okay, anyway, so okay, the point I was trying to get at is, okay, so the assignment operator, right? Assignment operator पछि अर्को के थियो? Okay, okay, very good. Okay, let's see this. Oh, what's this? Okay. Sir, मेरो त 7 पो आयो. Okay, केमा 7 आयो? राजा गुरुङ सरले. Okay, so 7 केमा 7 आयो भन्नुभयो? Oh, okay. So so सरले चाहिँ यसो गर्नुभयो होला हैन? So you have x, did you do this? X equal to 3, right? And x plus equal to 2. You got that 7 आयो, आउँदैन होला. It's a फेरि try गर्नु. So okay, let's try it, eh? Okay, let's try it one more time. Or in Raja sir's case, one more time. In our case, okay, we're doing it for the first time. Okay, so let's see what happens. Where is it? Okay, all right. So here's my code. Okay, so I assign 2 to x, right? So now x value 2, right? All right. Now x plus equal to 3. Okay, let's try that. Was that that's what we did? X equal to 3, okay? So it's the same thing. You should get the same answer. Okay. So let's try this. Our expected answer is 5, right? Okay, maybe it's running. Let's see. Oh, okay. I didn't print x, right? See, 5 नै आउँछ. Maybe Raja Gurung sir ko. So please try again, right? Replace the value of x. Oh, okay, maybe. Yeah. So the
Okay,
latest, let's say latest value links, okay? Right? Just remember that. So it takes the latest value, whatever the memory ma dekhaya ni, right? Yele memory ma je cha त्यही निकाल्ने हो, right? Usko latest value के छ, right? It takes that latest value, right? Okay. So this something that you have done. So I couldn't see your capture, but looks like, yeah, you maybe replace the value of x, maybe, yeah. So okay. So now next one, right? Next one, the others are similar, right? Now the others are similar. For example,
Hello.
हजुर
माइनसले पनि यस्तै काम गर्छ प्लसको ठाउँमा माइनस राख्नु
yes
मिल्छ
exactly म त्यहाँ आउँदैछु त्यसमा
ओके
yes
फाइन
okay yeah so that's what we're so it works for all the operators, basically all the arithmetic operators basically, right? सबैमा त्यसले काम गर्छ. For example, if you have x equal to 3 again, right? Okay, and then x minus equal to 2. Okay, so what's the answer? Can somebody guess? कसैले guess गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यसमा? Or give me the answer.
1.
1, right? Yes, excellent. Okay, he just wrote x equal. Oh, okay. X equal to x plus 2, then print x. But this it's the same thing. Right? DD Pathak sirले लेख्नु भयो नि, it should give the same answer. It's because they are the same thing. Every कुरा हो, हैन? X equal to x plus 2, right? X plus equal, it should give you the same answer, right? Let's try. Right? यहाँ फेरि एकचोटि try गरौँ है त. Where is it? Yes. So I'll try the same thing. Okay, I got 5 here, right? So let's see. X equal to 3, the same code, but instead of writing x plus equal to 2, I write x equal to x plus 2, right? So I should get the same answer. Okay, let me run it. See, you get the same answer, right? So you can either write this way or but this is more compact. There is a programmer early. This is the way they write it, right? Because you don't have to repeat. See, x duplication, right? Duplication is bad, right? Coding ma सकेसम्म duplication गर्नु राम्रो हुँदैन, right? So this is the better way to do it, right? When we write code, although they do the same thing, यो दुईटै कोडले एउटै काम गर्छ, है? यो कोड र यो कोड, they're doing exactly the same thing, but this is better. So this, this is better. Okay, all right. So all right, but thank you, DD Pathak sir. Right? Very good, thank you. Okay, so yeah, we're running out of time. We have 10 minutes. Okay, yeah. So I think we'll finish this part. Okay, so Nishal said that he got what? So what is this equivalent? It's equivalent to somebody give me what is this equivalent to?
X equals to x minus 2.
Good. So this means x equal to x minus 2. That means what's the current value, the most current value? Right? As I said earlier, you always evaluate this side. Hey, so when you evaluate this side, now you need to replace the value of x with the value of x. What is the latest value? The most current value of x is 3, right? 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So now this 1 is put in x. So in memory, there's previously 3. Now that 3 is replaced by 1, right? This is replaced by 1, right? And यसको answer के आउँछ? When you print, यहाँनिर हामीले print गर्दा के हुन्छ? Print गर्यो भने you get 1. Okay, so same thing, right? Similarly, okay, let's try another one. X multiplied, sorry. Let's first you need to give some value to x, right? X equal to 2, right? And then x multiply equal to 2. Okay, somebody can somebody tell me the equivalent expression for this?
X equals to x into 2.
Okay, okay. Is this Nistel?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think, yeah, okay. I would rather have somebody else answer me, okay? All right, so yes, he's right, okay? All right, so then what's the answer to this? So once I run this code, right? I run this, and here I print x, okay? So what's the answer? What's the result? Result is? 4. Excellent. 4. You know why 4? Always now it tries to evaluate things under the expression on the right. So now it looks for the value of x. What's the value of x? The latest value is 2, right? So 2 times 2 is 4, and that 4 is assigned to x. So in memory, previously there is 2, right? And then that 2 is replaced by this value because we're assigning that there, right? And then this 4 goes here because we are assigning to x. So this is x, right? All right. So excellent. Okay. So likewise, we can do division, right? Same thing, right? Exact same thing. Let's try with division. Okay. So it's okay. Let's say x equal to 5, right? And then x division, right? Sorry, division equal to 2. Okay, what do you get? What's the well, okay? Other than Nishal, can somebody else try this? So what is the equivalent?
4. 2.
No,
2 is the
first
right answer.
no, give me the what do you call that? Give me the equivalent expression to this.
X equals to x divided by 2.
Okay, x equal to x divided by 2.
Divided by 2.
2.5 is the answer.
Okay. Yeah, 2.5 is the answer. Let's see if that is correct. Okay, let's try it out. So always, what do? You evaluate this side, right? So before you evaluate, we need to find the value of the unknown, the variable, right? Variable is the latest value 5, right? So this is equal to 5 divided by 2, which is equal to normal case 2.5, right? Okay, so let's try it out, right? You can try it out as well, right? What was the x equal to 5? Okay, x equal to 5, and then x division equal to what is that? 2, right? Okay, and then we need to print x. So if you write this x only print okay, right? It prints, see, 2.5. Okay, so I hope you everybody is clear. So another is modulus, right? We can do the same thing with modulus, right? Modulus so for example, x equal to 3, right? And then let's see, x modulus equal to 2. Okay, what is the equivalent expression? Anybody except Nishal, because Nishal has answered a lot of questions. So I would, sorry, no, not the answer first. First, give me the expression, please. Equivalent, the equivalent expression.
X modulus 2. X modulus 2. X equals to x modulus 2.
Yeah, good. Thank you. Who was that? Who just answered, please?
It's me.
No. What's
It's
your
me,
name?
Rimra.
Oh, Irvin, sir. Okay, great. Thank you. So, okay. Yeah, very good. Yeah, he's correct, right? So now, so what's the answer to this? Let's go answer Kevin, sir.
1.
1. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks like it's right. So now 1 kinawancha. Now, first you need to evaluate this side, right? So in order to evaluate, you need to find the value of the unknown or the variable. Unknown, math unknown, the rest must variable, right? So a variable what's the value? It goes into memory x, right? X with x with 3, right? 3, and then modulus 2. Yes, 3 modulus 2 is when you divide 3 by 2, you get 1 remainder, right? So that's the answer. Okay. All right. Very good. Thank you. So likewise, you can do with the exponentiation